Dwight, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coal City, Minooka, Simon, Diamond, Lakewood Shores, Mazon, Channahon, Raceville, South Wilmington, Kingsman, Braidwood, Redding, Godley, East Brooklyn, Odell, Gardner, Dwight, Morris, Verona, Essex, Elwood, Wilmington, Carbon Hill, and Manhattan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central, north central, and northeastern Illinois. Tornado watch number 255 remains